Give me the food that you have. Else I will steal your toy.
Hey, don't touch me. Go to house. I have no food. I tell about you to master. She will punish you.
You serious?
Stop, little girl. I need your toy, give me that.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And give a thumbs up also. Bye.
Wait a minute!
2,000 years later.
Finally I got my food. No, it's not food, maybe I'm doing soon.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Oh, new friend is in my house. Let's go play, come on. Come here. I'm waiting for you. Oh, my master is calling. I've to go there. I want this toy.
Wow!
Mother, I wanna play. Who is he? I think he can harm us. Let's hide behind Pop. Come on.
Okay, you can play.
No, he is our master, he can't harm us. So come out.
Okay, I agree you. I'm coming out. Mother, I want to play.
Okay, you can play.
Stop it. Get some help.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And give a thumbs up also. Bye.